2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.